Hello and welcome back. If you have not been here before, you are also welcome. In today's video, I'll be trying wash and go on my fussy hair. I've always wanted to try wash and go on my hair just to have something different, and today is the day. I'm going to be using this gel. I'm very sure you have seen it everywhere here on YouTube. A lot of people has tried this gel. They've made a lot of review on this gel, so I will be trying it also today. I hope it work on my hair. Oh God, I'm so nervous. Don't laugh at me if it doesn't work, okay? It's just trying, trying new things. This gel here is very big. It's a whole kilo, 1 whole kilo, and it's not that expensive. I bought it less than €7. Here in Germany it's a bit expensive. Like, I check it on Amazon, and on Amazon it was like almost €30 if I can remember, or more. But I did not buy it on Amazon. I keep searching for where I'm going to buy this very cheap. So I saw it on a shop called 𝐒𝐢𝐦𝐢𝐥𝐚𝐫 shop. I'm going to search it again and leave the link for you guys in case you want to go and check it out. Like I said, I saw it on Amazon, but it was so much expensive. Why some people who lives in America or other places buy this gel for the price of €3 or €5. So you can see it's expensive here. To start with, I'm going to use this coil activator just to see if it's going to work well in. So I'm going to start with a very washed and clean hair. I have already washed, clean and conditioned my hair. You can see all those white on my hair is my leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to list all of that for you guys as well. So for not talking much, let's get started. I have here water. Just water, a little bit warm, because wash and go I require a lot of water. You do it in your shower, but for the sake of this video, I'm doing it here. I'm going to work with my hair with a very smaller section, nothing much, and add much water. Tangle it first. I will be starting with this coil activator. Take just that much, not too much. This much. And then start applying. Oh my God. Wow. Did you see that? So I'm still using my finger to define these coils also. I'm just separating them in the way they go naturally. Let me come close. Can you see that? I think by the time this hair get dry, my hair is gonna be so short. Do you see the kind of water I'm using? A lot of water. I heard you get the best results with wash and go when you use a lot of water. So that's why I'm using a lot of water. Of course, I want to get also the best result. My hands are so slippery. I hope at the end of this wash and go, I don't have a lot of flake on my hair. I don't like that at all. Did you see here? Everything just fall naturally. Nothing was done special there. Again, more water. Add a bit of product on my end. Using this gel together with the 𝐒𝐤𝐸 Activator makes everything so easy. Next time I'm going to try only the gel to see if we can also work this good. My hair is a bit tangled there. I need to just detangle everything more and add more water. As you can see, I'm using my hands to detangle whatever that is not so defined. As you can see, I always detangle my hair first. Wow! My hair feels so defined, feel also so soft. So what I'm going to do is to apply this mousse. I don't know if you can see it very well. This has become my best mousse so far. It's so cheap, less than €3. I bought it in 𝐿𝐸. If you live here in Germany, you will know about 𝐿𝐸. That is where I bought this hair mousse. It's so good. I've been using it for a very long time and it works very well. Mousse help a lot to define your hair and also give it that softness and speeds your drying process. So that's why I'm applying some of my mousse inside to help soften my hair and also speed my drying process. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just go straight in my shower, shake this hair like this, like that, shake it going throughout the direction, dry it up, and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. So don't go away, keep waiting. So this is how my hair is looking like after I've dried it up. It's just about 50% dry, but you can see the coils. Let me come close. They are so defined, feel so great, so soft and very beautiful. So what I'm going to do is to use this spray and spray all over my head. This spray helps to refreshen your coils and also give it some hold without gumming on your hands. I love this. It's all organic product, so cheap, also less than €3. It's not expensive. You can get it in anywhere, any DM shop at all. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like my first time trying wash and go hair and you learn anything out of this hairstyle. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.